Welcome back to my lesson. Unit 14. What does he look like? Lesson 1, page 24. Let's start by watching a short clip. Try to remember all words in the clip. And then tell me again. Let's start.
Hello. Let's talk about people. Here we go. Thin. Thin. Fat. Fat. Tall. Tall. Short. Short. Strong. Strong. Weak. Weak. Pretty. Pretty. Handsome. Handsome. Old. Old. Young. Young. Hairy. Hairy. Bald. Bald. Okay, let's do that one more time. Louder. Thin. Fat. Tall. Short. Strong. Weak. Pretty. Handsome. Old. Young. Hairy. Bald. Thank you very, very much, everyone.
Tell me again the words you have heard in the clip. Number 1. Short. Very good. Opposite to short is tall. And thin. Opposite to thin is fat. Very good. Tell me what this word? Strong. Perfect. Opposite to strong? Weak. Perfect. What is the word that's beginning with letter O? Old. Old. And opposite to old? Young. Perfect. This word is very nice for girls. Pretty. This word is not opposite to pretty. It is similar, but not for girls, for boys. Handsome. Very good. Đẹp trai. Handsome. Pretty. Xinh gái. Handsome. Đẹp trai. I think we need 2 more. You have to remember 2 words more in the clip. They are not in the book. Hairy. Hairy. Yeah, hairy. And opposite to hairy is bald. Bald. Hỏi. Ok. Với nhiều tóc có nghĩa là hỏi. Short. Tall. Thin. Fat. Strong. Weak. Old. Young. Pretty. Handsome. Hairy. Bold. One more time. Short. Tall. Thin. Fat. Strong. Weak. Old. Young. Pretty. Handsome. Hairy. Bold. I believe that all of you understand the meaning of these words. How many words do we have today? 12 words, okay? Look at the dialogue. How many students are there in the dialogue? Two. Very good. Two students. Who? Very good. Vong and Linda. Vong and Linda. Okay. Linda say, I'm writing an email to my brother. I'm writing an email. Email. Now let's read. Let's read. Email. Email. Thư điện tử. An email. Một bức thư điện tử. Okay. An email. I'm writing an email to whom? To my brother. To my brother. Okay. So the question, what are you doing? You have known. He do. What does he do? This question we have learned in unit, I remember maybe 13, 12. Okay. What does he do? This question about job. This question, he's a footballer. Now let's read footballer. 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 Yeah. Cầu thủ bóng đá, đúng không ạ? So the question today, very important question today is, what does he look like? Now let's read look like. Look like. Look like. Look, nhìn. Look like. Like. Like là thích. Nhưng đi với từ look like, một cụm từ đi liền nhau. Look like phrase. Cụm từ này có nghĩa là trông như thế nào. Look like, trông như thế nào. What does he look like? What does he look like? Anh ấy trông như thế nào? Nghĩa khác hoàn toàn phải không ạ? What does he look like? Anh ấy trông như thế nào? He's tall. He's tall. Anh ấy cao. So you remember the question today is, what does he look like? Listen to the dialogue 2 times. First time, just only listen. The second time, listen and repeat. Let's start.
14. What does he look like? Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
What are you doing, Linda?
I'm writing an email to my brother.
B.
Where is he now?
He's in England.
C.
What does he do?
He's a footballer.
D.
What does he look like?
He's tall.
Listen and repeat.
Page 24, Unit 14. What does he look like? Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
What are you doing, Linda?
I'm writing an email to my brother.
B.
Where is he now?
He's in England.
C.
What does he do?
He's a footballer.
D.
What does he look like?
He's tall.
Thank you. You use this question when you want to ask and answer the questions about someone's physical appearance. Con muốn hỏi về diện mạo của ai đó, về hình thức của ai đó. What does he look like? Anh ấy trông như thế nào? He's tall. Anh ấy cao. Now look at here, number 2, point and say. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures. Look at the first picture. Picture A. Let's read. Tall. Picture C. Picture B. Short. Picture C. Slim. Slim. Now let's read. Slim. Slim. New word. Okay. Slim. Slim có nghĩa là người mảnh dẻ. Slim. Người thon gọn mảnh dẻ. Slim. Old. Old. Picture D. Old. Picture E. Young. Young. And look at them. Look at them. These adjectives to describe them. these adjectives to describe them. Những tính từ này dùng để miêu tả gì? Miêu tả những người ở trong tranh. Okay, so in this theme, we learned about adjectives to describe the people. We learned some adjectives to describe the people in this dialogue. She, look at the picture. She, he. Okay, now answer to my question. Picture A. What does she look like? What does she look like? She's tall. She's tall. Very good. What does she look like? What does she look like? She's short. She's short. Picture C. What does she look like? What does she look like? She's slim. She's slim. She's slim. What does he look like? What does he look like? He's old. He's old. And the last picture. What does he look like? He's young. He's young. Okay? You can ask these questions. You can practice this question with your partner, your friends, your mother, or any members in your family. Okay? Thank you. Come back here. The model sentences. Now I want you to remember this model sentence. Let's read again. Look like, look like, look like. Okay, look like mean trông như thế nào? Like. Just only like mean thick. Just only like mean thick, but look like mean trông như thế nào? So you have to remember this phrase. Look like. Look. What does he look like? And answer, he's tall. Or what does she look like? And answer, she's tall. If she and he, if he is tall, she is tall. You say, he's tall, she's tall. His, remember, his mean he is. She's mean she's is. She's mean she is. So you can say he's tall or he is tall. She's tall or she is tall. Okay, I give you one word. Example, handsome and pretty. Handsome and pretty. I love this word so much. Handsome for boy, handsome for man, pretty for girls and women. Now, what does he look like? Answer, he's handsome. Very good. What does she look like? She's pretty. Good, pretty. Thank you. So you remember this model sentence, okay? When you want to ask and answer questions about someone's physical appearance, you will use these questions and this answer, okay? So today I want all of you remember 12 vocabularies. Let's read again. Short, tall, thin, fat, strong, weak, old, young, pretty, handsome, hairy, bold. 12. The model sentence. What does he or she look like? This phrase, very important phrase, look like, look like. And the question, what does he or she look like? What does he or she look like? What does he or she look like? The answer is tall, example. She's tall, example. Now move to exercise. You have to answer 4 questions. 1. What does she like? Number 2. What does she look like? Number 3. Does she like sandwiches? And number 4. Would you like some oranges? She likes chicken. Example. She likes chicken. Example like that. Okay, and you can say she likes the oranges. You can say she likes oranges. She likes bananas. She likes blah blah. Okay, that belongs to you. And number 2, what does she look like? She likes chicken again? No. What does she look like? Trông như thế nào? What does she look like? And the answer. Do you remember? Okay. She's pretty. Okay. Pretty. I love this word so much. All the girls are pretty. I love this word so much. All the girls pretty. Okay. She's pretty. Very good. Number 3, does she like sandwiches? Does she like sandwiches? So my choice for this answer is yes, she does. Very good. Don't need to say me. You can say no, she doesn't. That's okay. Okay. And number 4, the last question. Would you like some oranges? Would you like some oranges? I don't like oranges. You ask me, would you like some oranges? I don't like oranges. I will say no thanks. No thanks. Okay. Maybe you have a different answer. That is not a problem. That belongs to you. Okay. Thank you. Now's the time to say goodbye. See you again. Bye bye.